Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. So in the first step, open settings, then click on network and internet, simply select Ethernet and just scroll down and click on DNS server assignment. So click on edit. Now set it as to manual, enable IPv4 option and simply follow my screen, select the third one and then go to next, type here edit 44 and select third one. Once done, save all the changes and close this window. Let's move to the next step. Go to search bar and type here task manager, and from the search results click here to open it, then click on run new task, click on browse button. On this window select this PC and open C drive. From here open Windows folder, and here we need to search for system32 folder, so double click on it to open it, and then here find cmd.exe file, select it and click on open. So here is the main path. After that check this box and click on OK. Once you are here, now type these two commands very carefully. Type sfc space slash scan now scan file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and hit enter. After that type in sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon slash windows slash system32 slash iframe.dll and then hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. After that go to search bar, type here Chrome and click here to open it. Once you are here, on the right side click on these three dots, go to more tools and click on clear browsing data, select all time, and we need to uncheck all these four options one by one. Once done, click on clear data. After that go to advanced tab and select reset and cleanup, and click on reset settings. Once done, close this window and complete the last step, which is open settings window, then go to network and internet, select advanced network settings and select network resets. Once done, that's it guys, your problem is solved and you're good to go.